loud. In all my dreams and the in-betweens, there's only one thing I think about. I am not talking forgiveness of superficial means. I want all your good times and your bad too, and I want you to wanna be here with me. But if you're giving all you got, then make it good. And if you're about to up and walk, I think you should. But if you're gonna let me love, you better step up or I'm gonna move on. Never talk short if you wanna get lost. Stop holding my hand while we're driving around. Stop giving directions in my own town. Back to my old ways again. Thinking we're better off friends. If you're gonna be with me all the way. I've been talking to my sisters. They think you're good for me. I got patience between my eyebrows. I got brand new jeans. If there's a door you gotta lean through, well you know you never gotta lock it. I can knock before. I've been caught off guard for a minute, but I hope you know I get it. But if you're giving all you got, then make it good. And if you're about to up and walk, I think you should. But if you're gonna let me love, you better step up or I'm gonna move on. Never talk short if you wanna get lost. Stop holding my hand while we're driving around. Stop giving directions in my own town. I'm back to my old ways again. Thinking we're better off friends. If you're gonna be with me, then be with me all the way. To make you love me. To make you love me.
I said, one of these days you're gonna catch a cold with nothing on. You say all that you needed was my love to keep you warm. Stop taking Polaroid pictures, said the memories are good enough. You always knew the right words to say when the hard times got tough. Staring at me wide-eyed, my love for you was multiplied. Honey, don't care for with my heart. I said, I wish I could buy you things and build you a better home. You said all that you needed was my love to keep you strong. Staring at me wide-eyed, my love for you is multiplied. Honey, go careful with my heart. Ooh, ooh. love for you is multiplied. Go careful with my
I hadn't put much thought into you till I took 40 West home. Tightrope thinking I'm just fine till you decided to throw me off. I missed you every day, you said, and I love you more than that much. But happiness is a fickle bitch, and I want that more for you than me or this. You said happiness is a fickle bitch, and I want that more for you than me or this. I hadn't put much thought into us till I caught sight of Rockwell. The lonely road that led you home was worn down by my wheels, I swear. I loved you every day, I said, since we were barely preteens. But time and chance, fate and stance don't pay no mind to what I wanted then. I said time and chance, fate and stance don't pay no